SmartReach Comau introduced a new paradigm in the world of machine tools. Its polar architecture allows it to work on multiple types of parts, including large and complex structure, ensuring high quality, flexibility, ease of use, and a new level of modularity in the mechanical processes landscape. Thanks to its construction philosophy, SmartReach Comau aims to work on the entire piece in a single operation, exponentially increasing production line efficiency and flexibility, as well as reducing the typical cost of a multi-operational line. Ease of use is guaranteed by the Siemens C-numeric One control, which allows customers to use SmartReach Comau without having to introduce a new control system into production. From new frame components in the automotive space to special application in aerospace or energy, SmartReach Comau is the ideal solution for the new frontiers of machining.